Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Drive. In today's video, I will be telling you about the new launches that happened in this week. But before starting with this, don't forget to subscribe to the Explore Drive YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss our news updates on automobiles. Now heading towards the first launch of this week.
Honda launched CBR 650R in India, which is priced at Rs 8.88 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 649cc 4-cylinder program fuel-injected engine that delivers 88 horsepower and 57.5 Nm of torque. However, engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. Tire size of this motorcycle is 17 inches with different section widths of both the tires. In addition to this, on front it is equipped with dual disc while you get a single disc at the rear. However, it also gets the dual channel ABS as well. It can run 0 to 100 kmph in just 4 to 5 seconds and has a top speed of 237 kmph. This motorcycle gets the attractive structure and a paint job. In terms of features, it gets the exhaust muffler, effortless clutch, all LED unit, LCD display and much more. The new CBR 650R is available in two color options, that is the Grand Prix Red and Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic. Honda launched CB650R in India at a price range of Rs 8.67 lakhs ex-showroom. It gets the same engine specifications as that of the Honda CBR 650R, that is, it is powered by 649cc 4-cylinder program fuel-injected engine that delivers 88 horsepower and 57.5 Nm of torque. However, engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. Also, this motorcycle is 5 kg lighter than the CBR 650R. It can do 0 to 100 kmph in just 4 to 5 seconds and has a top speed of 237 kmph. In terms of feature, it gets the stylish exhaust muffler, air intake chambers, LCD display and also gets the all LED unit, either it's a headlight or tail light or even the side indicators. This motorcycle is available in two color options, that is the Candy Chromosphere Red and Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic.
Next launch of this week is the Triumph motorcycles. Triumph launched Modern Classic Bonneville series. The company has launched total 5 motorcycles, namely Bobber, Speedmaster, Street Twin, T100 and T120. Now jumping towards the first motorcycle of the series is the Bobber. However, the company has not declared its price yet, but it is powered by 1200cc parallel twin engine that generates 78 horsepower and 106 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. It gets a mileage of 21 kmpl from a 12-liter fuel tank. Bonneville Bobber is available in 3 color options. Next motorcycle of the series is the Speedmaster. The Speedmaster is priced at Rs 11.75 lakhs ex-showroom. This motorcycle is powered by 1200cc parallel twin engine that generates 78 horsepower and 106 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. It gets a mileage of 21 kmpl from a 12-liter fuel tank. The Speedmaster is available in 3 color options. Next motorcycle is T120. It is priced at Rs 10.65 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 1200cc parallel twin engine that generates 80 horsepower and 105 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. It gets a mileage of 21 kmpl from 14.5 liters fuel tank. The T120 is available in 3 color options. Next motorcycle of this series is the Street Twin. It is priced at Rs 7.95 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 900cc parallel twin engine that generates 65 horsepower and 80 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. It gets a mileage of 24 kmpl from a 12-liter fuel tank. The Street Twin is available in 3 color options. In addition to this, Street Twin is also available in the exclusive Gold Line limited edition variant also, which is priced at Rs 8.25 lakhs ex-showroom. The last motorcycle of this series is the T100, which is priced at Rs 9.29 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 900cc parallel twin engine that generates 65 horsepower and 80 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. It gets a mileage of 24 kmpl from 14.5 liters of fuel tank. However, this motorcycle is available in 3 color options.
Aprilia India has started the bookings of SXR 125 ahead of its premiere. This scooter can be pre-booked either online or even at the authorized dealerships by paying a token amount of Rs 5,000 only. However, the company has not revealed its price yet, but can be expected at a price range of Rs 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees ex-showroom. This scooter is powered by 125cc electronic fuel-injected engine that generates 9.52 horsepower and 9.2 Nm of torque. It also gets the connected feature, that is, through mobile phone app you can navigate, can check your service due date and much more. The instrument cluster is fully digital, which features speedometer, tachometer, fuel to empty, engine temperature and much more. This scooter is available in 4 color options, that is the matte blue, glossy white, matte black and glossy red. BMW to launch 6 Series GT in India very soon, that is on 8th April 2021. The GT gets a new LED headlamps with dual L-shaped LED DRLs. The front grills and the front bumpers have also been upgraded for a sportier appeal. Tire size happens to be the 21 inches, however you can configure it. At the rear, the bumper receives a blacked out diffusers and has a twin trapezoidal exhaust pipes which are finished in chrome. Now let's have a closer look of the interior. The cabin looks spacious, luxurious, however dashboard is finished in soft touch leather material. The infotainment screen has also been upgraded with the smart connectivity, either it's Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay. Center console has also been upgraded to black gloss finish. It also gets the Napa leather sporty seats, while at rear it gets the adjustable passenger seats. Under the long hood, the GT is likely to be available in 3 variant options, that is the 2-liter turbocharged petrol, 2-liter turbocharged diesel and a more powerful 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine, which is available in M Sport package. However, the 8-speed automatic transmission will remain standard across the variants. Volkswagen India revealed Tiguan 2021 and will be launching soon in the Indian market. The new Tiguan has a new grille design with lots of chrome treatment, which is obvious because we Indians love it. Underneath you get the air curtains, which are functional to cool down the motor under the engine bay. It is powered by a 2-liter TSI 4-cylinder engine that will generate 190 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, and the power will be delivered to all the wheels. However, engine is mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission. Also, in addition, it gets the paddle shifters too. Now talking about the exterior, headlights are equipped with dual projectors with DRLs. In addition to this, the taillights are also LED. However, Volkswagen says that it gets the IQ Light technology with adaptive controls. In terms of interior, the cockpit of this car feels airy because of the massive sunroof. The new Volkswagen Tiguan will be available in petrol variant only. Volkswagen has revealed Tiguan specs, that is, it gets the 2 engine option. Number 1, it will be powered by 1-liter TSI engine that will generate 113 horsepower and 175 Nm of torque, and another engine option is 1.5-liter TSI engine that will generate 115 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. In terms of transmission, it gets the 6-speed manual transmission as well as the 7-speed DSG transmission. Now talking about the exterior, front grille is finished in chrome. On the side fender it gets the GT badge. However, Volkswagen will be launching very soon in the Indian market. Last news of this week is of Volkswagen T-Roc. Second batch for 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc has started. However, T-Roc deliveries will commence from May 2021. So this was all about the new launches that happened in this week. If you really find this news episode insightful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Explorer YouTube channel. And to get all the latest updates on the automobile, do follow us on Instagram. Link for it will be available in the description. Thank you so much.